to do an increase, we do it on the next stitch here. Put your hook under the V-shaped stitch and like this, grab the yarn through the V-shaped stitch. So now you got 2 little loops on the hook. Right now, yarn over again and pull through all the loops. So this is 1 single crochet into 1 stitch. So we do it again to the same stitch. This is the stitch we did a single crochet and we do it again. So put your hook under the stitch that you just single crochet into and then yarn over, pull through the loops, yarn over again and pull through the 2 little loops. And now we got 2 single crochet into 1 stitch and we call it an increase. So this is an increase. Repeat again, single crochet, single crochet, again. So 2 single crochet into 1 stitch, we call it an increase.